Have you ever wondered what is the correct way to clean all your dirty brushes? My name is Amy and today I'll be showing you how I deep clean all of my brushes and sponges. If you suffer from acne, breakouts or skin irritations, it may be because your brushes are not properly cleansed. Many don't realize how important it is to clean our brushes. Over time, makeup applicators collect old makeup, dirt, oils, bacteria and dead skin cells. These easily transfer to your skin and other applicators in your cosmetic bag. This may be one of the reasons many of us suffer from breakouts, skin irritations and infections. To begin, we are going to dampen the brush in warm water. So I'll demonstrate with this already used Nanshi foundation brush and Nanshi's brush and sponge soap cleaner to disinfect the makeup applicators. What's great about Nanshi's brush and sponge soap cleaner is that it cleans, disinfects and conditions makeup applicators, leaving the brushes looking and feeling soft with its alcohol-free formula. The UK-made product is 100% natural, vegan and cruelty-free, which also includes vitamin E and coconut milk in its formula. It can be used with both synthetic and natural brushes as well. So we're going to grab the Nanshi brush and sponge soap cleaner and the Nanshi foundation brush and swirl it in the cleanser to create a lather. You can see the excess makeup is instantly coming out, so just continue to move it around in different motions. Once you're satisfied with the amount of product on the brush, just go ahead and rinse it out. This part is optional, but you can also use a cleaning mat to help with the process. Rinse it with warm water and repeat the process as necessary until the brush is clean. I'm going to demonstrate with another brush. This is Nanshi's blending brush filled with black eyeshadow. Black eyeshadow and other coloured shadows can often leave a stain on the brush. Look how easily Nanshi's brush and sponge soap cleaner removes these stains without much effort nor time. Once all the brushes are cleaned and you've squeezed out all the excess water, you can swirl them around a towel or lie them flat to dry. So same situation goes for the sponge, just dampen the sponge in warm water, then swirl it in the cleaner to create a lather and then rinse. To clean the soap, all you have to do is just rinse it in water and it's ready for the next use. To further sanitize my brushes, I use Isocol, which is just this green bottle that can be bought at Coles. I dispensed it into a plastic spray bottle and just spritz the product onto the applicators. So this is how I deep clean all of my brushes for daily use. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel down below.